Good morning, everyone. It's Chris Bissett with the Pinnacle Homes Group here at Keller Williams Classic Realty in Orlando, Florida. Today, we've got a great guest, Trey Del Greco with Movement Mortgage. He is one of our lenders that we do a lot of work with, and there's a lot of misinformation out there about what is going on with the Fed rate cut. So Trey's going to talk to us a little bit about that. And of course, we're going to put up his contact information. So if you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to him or myself. But Trey, please tell us what this Fed rate cut means going forward with interest rates.
Definitely the biggest question we have right now. The easiest way to say it is the Federal Reserve does not control mortgage rates. So you probably remember from a few years ago, the Federal Reserve, the Fed rate was at 0%. And we got a lot of questions, why aren't mortgage rates at 0%? And that's why. That's not what they're controlling. At the end of the day, mortgage rates follow inflation and they update every day. The Federal Reserve updates their rate every 6 weeks in response to what inflation is doing. So really, we've seen a decline in interest rates over the 90 days leading up to this rate cut because inflation was getting better. The rate cut was the Federal Reserve acknowledging that inflation is getting under control. So that's why you didn't see a next day lower mortgage rate when they cut their rate. Now, obviously, the next question is, should I be refinancing my loan? At the end of the day, it really just depends. It depends on what your scenario is, whether that's today, 6 months from now, a year from now, or never. Please call me. We're happy to assess the situation with you, talk to you about your goals and what you need, and walk through what a refinance would do for you, or maybe just say, hey, we don't need to refinance. That's okay too.
Yeah, and we're getting a lot of questions, where are rates going? No one can predict that, right? Like Trey says, it tracks with inflation and it's unique to every individual. So there's a lot of factors that go into it. That's why you do want to get pre-approved through a lender, because it depends on credit, debt to income ratios, and many other things. So please reach out to us, 407-499-8993. You've got Trey's contact info. As always, thank you guys for watching. Trey, thanks for coming on today, sharing with us. Please do subscribe and like our YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you soon.